Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Bodycam Lockdown. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. What begins as a speeding violation quickly turns into a roadside stop, where the officer has to determine whether the driver will cooperate or create a much bigger problem. Every decision from this point forward has the potential to change how the stop unfolds. The breakdown starts now.
How are you, sir?
Yes, sir. How you doing?
Do you have your license?
Yes, sir. We'll call you right back. I'm keeping on with the phone at the same time. How's it going?
Do you have your driver's license?
I do, but what's the problem?
Can you provide me with your driver's license?
The officer starts with a routine request for the driver's license. But the driver's response is already hinting this stop may be harder to control than it first appeared.
Not today, sir. I do whatever day. I'm going to turn off the truck. I'm going to put it in the park, but not today.
What?
No, sir.
You're not going to give me your driver's license?
For a reason. You seen that car speeding in front of me? I was going 55 miles an hour. He was going 80, 90 miles an hour. So, no, sir. And I got it all recorded. Front to back, I run a business.
Okay.
Instead of handing over his license, the driver refuses. That immediately changes the officer's approach because verifying a driver's identity is one of the first priorities during any traffic stop.
Are you going to give me your driver's license?
No, sir. Can I speak to your supervisor?
No. That's not how this works.
It's on speakerphone. Everything recorded right now.
Okay, that's fine. Undo your seatbelt. Undo your seatbelt.
No, I can turn the truck off for you.
Undo your seatbelt.
What's going on?
Undo your seatbelt.
After repeated refusals, the officer shifts tactics and orders the driver out of the vehicle. He's even told to remove his seatbelt, but the lack of cooperation continues. At this point, officers are trying to regain control before they're forced to physically intervene.
Lori. What the hell? They arrested me for what?
Let go.
I didn't do anything.
Stop.
I was listening to you.
You weren't listening to anything. Stop talking.
The driver is finally out of the vehicle, and officers are moving to secure him in handcuffs. This is the moment where cooperation can make the process quick, or create another flashpoint.
Give me wow. What are you doing? I didn't do anything. The other car was speeding in front. I didn't do anything, sir. I promise. I didn't do anything, sir. You get my license. I didn't say I wanted to
Oh, now you want to give me the license?
I was going to give it to you anyway.
No, I asked you for it and you refused to give it to me.
The driver now says he's willing to cooperate, but that opportunity has already passed. Once officers have moved to take control, they're focused on safely completing the detention rather than restarting the interaction.
I would ask you why you wanted my license.
This is a traffic stop.
Okay, it's in my back pocket. Grab it out my wallet. I wasn't not going to give it to her. I asked you why you wanted it.
And I told you to step out of the car and you refused to get out of the car.
I was trying to ask a question.
No, that's not how this works.
I didn't know that. I was trying to ask questions. Be polite.
The traffic stop ended with the driver being taken into custody and later facing multiple charges. According to the case outcome, the charges for resisting without violence and possession of less than 20 grams of cannabis were dropped. He was found guilty of possessing drug paraphernalia and willfully refusing to sign and accept the citation. He was sentenced to 12 months of probation, 2 days in the county jail, 50 hours of community service, a $333 fine, and monthly probation fees. This case shows how decisions made during a routine traffic stop can have consequences that last long after the stop is over. What are your thoughts on how this traffic stop unfolded? Let us know in the comments below. Alright, that's the end of today's breakdown. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, how do you think this situation went down? Did the officers handle it the right way, or would you have done something differently? If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next Bodycam Breakdown.